As a restaurant owner, you have a lot on your plate, including managing orders, serving customers, and keeping everything running smoothly. The last thing you need is the hassle of reprinting menus every time there's a price change or a new dish. That's where Menu Tiger comes in. With just a few clicks, you can create an online menu ordering system that's easy to update and accessible to customers anytime. Plus, it comes with a customizable QR code for quick and easy access. Let me show you how. Here's how you create your restaurant's digital menu with Menu Tiger. Log into your Menu Tiger account. Now, once you see your dashboard, click on Menus. Start creating your menu by clicking Add New. Now, you're given two options to configure your menu. You can choose either Import Menu or Start from Scratch. So for this video, we're going to start from scratch. So write the name of your menu and a description of it, then click Save. Now here's where you can kind of get creative in showcasing your menu. Click on the Add button next to Categories to add a category of food. Write the category's name and description. Now we're going to come back and add something under modifier groups later. You can also add taxation categories after you set it up in the taxation tabs under stores. For now, let's continue and click Save. And if you want to add more categories, you can repeat these steps. All right, so now that we've created food categories, we're gonna add the food items under that category. So to do this, click on a category, then click the Add New button. So you're gonna see tabs like item information, price options, modifier options, and localize. So under the item information tab, fill in the food's name and its description. You can also choose the format of your description's text with the toolbar. Then you can assign the label where you can display the food item, its size, unit, prep time, and ingredient warnings if the dish has food allergens. You can add the tax category of the food after you set it up on the taxation tab. And you can also mark the food as sold out, change its availability, and/or make it a featured dish on the menu. You can add recommended items later after you've added all the dishes on your food list. When you're able to add them, they're gonna appear at the bottom of the food items page as an upselling opportunity. But for now, you can add up to 3 appetizing photos of your dish by dragging and dropping it on this box. So review all the details, and once you're done, click Save. The Price Options tab is where you can add the price of the dish. If the dish just has one price option, simply type in the price. A food item can also have price options according to its size or serving. You can add more than one by clicking the plus button to add more price options. Once you're done adding, then click Save. To add modifier options for your dish, we need to go back to the main menu page. See how there's 3 tabs under it? You have the Modifiers tab, which gives your customers some customization options on what they want to add to the dish that they're ordering. For example, a salad dish would need a variety of meats and salad dressings for customers to choose from. So this is the tab where you add the meats and dressings as an option with your salads. To do this, click Add New, and then here you're gonna add the name of the modifier group, and then choose if it's an optional or a required addition to the dish. Now, if it's a requirement and you click Required, you can assign a minimum or a maximum amount that customers can add. You can also allow adding the same choice multiple times. Then type in different options, price, and unit. You can add more modifiers by clicking Add Modifier Option. Now, once you've added all the options for this modifier group, click Save. To add more modifier groups for other dishes, just click the Add New button, then repeat these steps. All right, now that you're done adding all your modifiers, go back to the category that needs modifiers. Click on the 3-dot menu to see the edit icon and click it. Then click on the drop-down menu for modifier groups and select the modifiers that you want to add to the category and click Save. Now, aside from modifiers for a category, you can also add a modifier that's specific to just one dish. Just click the dish and go to the Modifier Options tab, then add the modifiers under Modifier Groups. Make sure to click Save after you're done to save the changes you made. Now, if you want to delete a dish or a category, click the 3 dots, then the delete icon, then click Confirm. You can also rearrange the order of your food categories. Just long press the 6-dotted icon found on the left side of each category, then drag it to where you want it to be. With this, you can adjust the order of how the categories will appear on your online menu. All right, now that you're done with adding and editing your digital menu, you'd want to see how it looks, right? Well, you can do that by clicking on the preview icon located on the upper right corner. And once you click it, a pop-up window is going to appear, and it's going to show you a sneak peek on how your digital menu looks on different devices. So this is going to help you determine whether you have to do edits or not. You can also do this at any point while you're working on your menu so you can see the changes in real time. See how easy that was? With Menu Tiger, you can set up a smart, custom digital menu that works for you and your customers. They want a fast and hassle-free way to order, and you want a more efficient, organized system that saves you time and reduces errors. So, what are you waiting for? Create your digital menu with Menu Tiger and start offering a smoother dining experience. Just click the link in the description box below to get started, and while you're here, hit like and subscribe for more tips on running your restaurant better. See you in the next video.